Radhika from Percept Software Systems. So in the previous tutorials of Node.js demo, we have learned how to retrieve the data, how to insert, how to update, and how to delete the data. So here we are just adding one search functionality in our demo. So for that purpose, we need to have this code amp.post search data function request comma response. So we are declaring a variable username equals request.body.search. So make sure this search, so we are just adding one here line of piece of code, input id equals search. So we need to have a search button, right? So we need to have type text placeholder search by name. So here we are searching by employee name, right? So we have name equals search. So make sure this search, the name we are specifying should match with this one, request.body.search. So again we need to declare variable SQL, so we'll require MS SQL. So configuration, we have a username, the password, the server name, and the database name. Please provide the real information, and we have connectivity code here, SQL.connect, config, function error. So if we have error, we need to get the message error, where request equals new SQL.request. So we are creating an object and we're declaring a variable request. So here where query equals select star from table employees. We need all the information where username, like username, it means either the name can be similar to this username, right? Whatever we are specifying matching to these records, we need to have all the data, right? So we have request.query, so we are specifying this variable here, function error comma record set. So if we have error, we need to get the message error, else we need to render orders data, and the parameters are employees and record set. So here we have this orders data Jade. We have already discussed this Jade before. So we have just added this new piece of code where we are just adding the search button. So here we have submit button. Alright, so we have table, all the hard-coded names. So there is a looping. So each employee and employee. So through this employee, we'll extract the username. Make sure all these columns should be match with the one in table, and we have employee the username, the address, email, phone number, postcode, DOB, etc. So here we have a delete button and edit button. So its functionality already we have done. So we have this orders Jade. So whenever we'll have the search option over there, so we need to have the information regarding that searching option, right? So we need to go, so our application will run on localhost 1337. So we need to go here. Alright, so we should get the message the server is running. Alright, so we get the message. Alright, so our application is running on localhost 1337. So here's a Jade file, orders data. So here we have two records, right? So whenever we'll write Radhika here, so we just need to get one record, right? So alright, we need to click here on search button. So we need to get one record. For example, when write demo here, and we need to click here, so we'll get one record, right? We have the demo. So so here search data action is performing. So right, it's a simple code where we can search by employee name, right? So I hope you like all the tutorials. So thank you for watching this video.